Buongiorno a tutti, welcome to A Stranger in Roma. Today we are inside the Palazzo Wedekind. We are invited to an event that will give us the opportunity to see the inside of this place, because it's a very secret and mysterious place. The columns are Etruscan and have been taken to build this palazzo like an upcycling cycle that was already in use for this construction. In the 1830, it became the papal post office, and then in the 20th century, it became the headquarters of the newspaper, famous newspaper here in Rome, Il Tempo. Now it's not affected to this anymore. I don't know exactly what it's inside. I've heard about some office, but it's to a place that hosts some event like today. And hopefully this will give us the opportunity to see what's inside this place that remains for me a bit mysterious and secret. So I'm very happy to take you with me, because maybe for you it will be the first time too. And let's see together what's inside Palazzo Wedekind. Today we are at Piazza Colonna. You maybe can see behind me La Colonna di Marco Aurelio, but not much because it's all wrapped, because it's under a plane of renovation. And behind this column we have Palazzo Wedekind. But today we are lucky because we are invited to participate to an event, and so we will have the possibility to see a big part of this place. See you soon inside Il Palazzo Wedekind. Today we are at Palazzo Wedekind. This palazzo is Piazza della Colonna. We have Palazzo Chigi here and Montecitorio qua. Palazzo Chigi, which is the headquarters of the Italian government. Montecitorio, which is the building where are all the deputies. The architecture of the palazzo is mainly neoclassical. There are beautiful stairs and a very beautiful main hall. It's a very big luck to have been able to see and discover this building. Hope you have enjoyed to see and discover this building with me. See you soon on the channel. Don't forget to comment, like and most of all to subscribe. Arrivederci, a presto. Ciao ciao!